Hello friends, my name is Vanshita and you're watching my channel Tech Right Education. In this video, I am going to discuss about next generation firewall. So let's begin our session. So why we use firewalls? Basically, firewalls are used for protecting our system from the external environment. This is very similar to our home walls, as our home walls are used for protecting us from the external environment. Similarly, firewalls are also used for protecting us from the external environment. Firewalls are a standard security tool for the majority of the companies, but in today's changing threat landscape, next generation firewalls are playing very important role for protecting many of the companies because they are more powerful than normal firewalls. Now, what is next generation firewall? A next generation firewall is a network security device and they have more features than traditional stateful firewall. Now, the question arises that what is the difference between a stateful and a stateless firewall? So, stateful firewall filter the packets as a whole and stateless firewall filter the packets individually. If you want to know more about stateful and stateless firewall, then you can comment me with the help of comment box. I will post separate video on stateful and stateless firewall which will help you. What does traditional firewall provides? They provide a stateful inspection of incoming and outgoing network traffic, but next generation firewall includes additional features like application awareness and control, integrated intrusion prevention and cloud delivered threat intelligence. Now we will understand everything in detail. Now what we mean by application awareness and control. Application awareness and control lets you know that which application is used by your network and it provides you a means to control this particular application usage. Now what we mean by integrated intrusion prevention. There are a lot of threats which are prevented by integrated intrusion prevention, and these are DOS attacks, DDoS attacks, various types of exploits, worms and viruses. An intrusion prevention system is a form of network security that works to detect and prevent identified threat. Now, what does it do? The integrated intrusion prevention reports these events to system admin and takes prevention action such as closing access points and configuring firewalls to prevent the future attacks. Now, what do we mean by cloud delivered threat intelligence? It is not only used for protecting the files which are present on cloud, but it also protects our endpoints. Now, what is the difference between traditional firewall and next generation firewall? As their name suggests, next generation firewalls are more advanced than traditional firewalls. Like regular firewalls, next generation firewalls use both static and dynamic packet filtering and VPN support to ensure that all connections between the network, internet and firewall are valid and secure. Now what is the difference between static and dynamic packet filtering? Now first we talk about static packet filtering. It is a firewall which requires configuration rule to be physically made. Now if I talk about dynamic packet filtering, then it is a firewall which can control network traffic and make the configuration rules. Now what is VPN? VPN is virtual private network. It is a private network where we can secure the things where unauthorized access cannot be performed. As its name, it is a virtual private network. There are also fundamental differences between the traditional firewall and next generation firewall. If I talk about its ability, then the ability of next generation firewall of packet filtering is good than the traditional firewall. Both firewalls type should also be able to translate network and port addresses in order to map IPs. They use whitelist for making the difference between safe applications and unwanted applications, which are then identified using SSL decryption. What is SSL? It is Secure Socket Layer. And what is whitelist? Safe applications are kept in whitelist and unwanted ones kept in blacklist, or we can say unwanted ones blocked. Unlike most traditional firewalls, next generation firewalls also include a path through which future updates will be received. Now, we will talk about the benefits of using a next generation firewall. Next generation firewalls have unique features and they provide more security than traditional firewalls to the companies. Next generation firewalls are able to block malware from entering a network, something that traditional firewall would never be able to do. Now, what is malware? Malware is an unwanted software which is intentionally designed to damage your computer system. They are better ability to address advanced persistent threats. Now, what is advanced persistent threats? An advanced persistent threat is an attack in which an unauthorized user gains to access a system or network and remains there for an extended period of time without being detected. Next generation firewalls can be a low cost option for companies looking to improve their basic security because they can incorporate the work of antiviruses, firewalls, and other security applications into one solution. Features of this include application awareness, inspection services, as well as protection system and awareness tool that benefit the offering at all odds. Now, what is the meaning of odds? Basically, it is a ratio of anything. In this slide, we will discuss about the importance of next generation firewalls. As we already discussed that next generation firewalls are more secure than traditional firewalls, so it is important for every business to take next generation firewalls or to use next generation firewalls. Threats to personal devices and larger networks are changing every day. We all know that presently threats are more strong and we have a large network and they are changing day by day. Next generation firewalls protects devices and companies from much broader spectrum of intrusions. Now, what is intrusions? An intrusion is an activity that is designed to compromise your data security. These firewalls are not the right solution for every business. Security professionals should carefully consider the benefits of next generation firewalls that are provided, as it has a very large upside.